How to make an amigurumi ring magic ring, easy starting crochet method. Crochet 3 chain stitches and work 19 double crochets into magic circle. Crochet slip stitch technique, pulling magic ring tight for seamless center. Crochet double crochet increase pattern, row 1, working 2 stitches into 1. Crochet double crochet stitch increase, alternating across round to row end. How to use a stitch marker for crochet beginners, placing at row start. Crochet front post double crochet stitch alignment, working through previous row. Crochet front post double crochet row 2 tutorial instructions for texture. Crochet double crochet repeat pattern, joining round with neat slip stitch. Crochet front post double crochet row 3 stitch continuity and rib setup. Crochet regular double crochet stitches, placement alternating through every stitch. How to increase crochet stitches in every round easily by 1 double crochet. Crochet circle increase process, repeating rows until reaching desired diameter. Crochet treble crochet stitch row 1 triple crochet tutorial into 4th stitch. Crochet treble crochet stitch instructions, working 2 stitches into adjacent spaces. How to crochet cross-stitch treble crochet cables for a braided look. Crochet triple crochet stitch pattern variations, working 2nd and 3rd stitches. Crochet cable pattern repeat instructions, following stitch texture to end. Crochet slip stitch transition, working another 3 slip stitches across row. Crochet treble crochet cross cables row 2 technique guide for beginners. Crochet triple crochet row stitches 5 and 6 progression for cable pattern. How to yarn over 3 times for advanced crochet stitches, inserting from back. Crochet cable stitch repeat, joining round with a clean slip stitch. Crochet slip stitch and basic stitch setup instructions for neck section. Crochet double crochet between stitches for a clean, solid fabric texture. Crochet double crochet round closure method for seamless finishes in rounds. How to crochet ribbing, alternating front post and back post double crochets. Crochet ribbing border pattern repeat, joining rounds until reaching desired width.